Here is a detailed script and information breakdown in English to help you create a video longer than an hour about the bald eagle. You can organize your video into these chapters to keep your viewers engaged. 1. Introduction: The Majesty of the Skies. The national symbol. Since 1782, the bald eagle has been the national bird of the United States, representing strength, freedom, and independence. The name bald. They aren't actually bald. The name comes from the Old English word piebald, which means white-headed. Significance: it is a symbol of power and pride, often used as a prime example of nature's wonder. 2. Physical characteristics and identification. Size and wingspan. These are massive birds. Their wingspan can reach between 6 to 7.5 feet, 1.8 to 2.3 meters. Distinct appearance. Adults have a dark brown body contrasted with a snowy white head and tail, along with a bright yellow beak and feet. Juvenile phase. Young eagles are almost entirely brown. They do not develop their iconic white head and tail until they are about 4 to 5 years old. Weight: they typically weigh between 3 to 6.3 kilograms. 3. Habitat and distribution. Range: found primarily across North America, including Canada, the United States, and northern Mexico. Water dependency: they almost always live near large bodies of open water, such as lakes, rivers, and coastal areas, because their primary food source is fish. Giant nests: bald eagles build some of the largest nests of any bird species. Some nests can be 10 feet wide and nearly 20 feet deep. 4. Diet and incredible hunting skills. Primary diet: fish is their main food, but they also eat small mammals, waterfowl, and occasionally carrion, dead animals. Supervision: their eyesight is 4 to 5 times sharper than a human's. They can spot a fish from several hundred feet in the air. Aerial speed: while they glide at 30 to 35 miles per hour, they can reach speeds of up to 100 miles per hour when diving for prey. 5. Family life and lifespan. Lifelong partners. Bald eagles are generally monogamous, meaning they stay with the same mate for life. Nesting: they usually lay 1 to 3 eggs per year. Both the male and female take turns incubating the eggs and feeding the chicks. Longevity: in the wild, they typically live 20 to 30 years, though some have lived up to 50 years in protected environments. 6. The conservation success story. The threat. In the mid-20th century, the species was near extinction due to habitat loss and the use of the pesticide DDT. The recovery. Thanks to legal protection and conservation efforts, the bald eagle population has bounced back remarkably. It is now considered one of the greatest conservation success stories in history. Tips for a 1-hour-plus video. 1. Use cinematic B-roll. Include long, high-definition clips of eagles soaring, diving into water, and feeding their young. 2. Expert interviews. If possible, include clips or quotes from ornithologists, bird experts. 3. Slow motion. Use slow motion shots to emphasize the power of their wings and the precision of their talons. 4. Storytelling. Tell the biography of a single eagle from a hatchling to a majestic adult to create an emotional connection with your audience.